What's the meaning of Chicago? Chicago. Chicago.
Chicago. Chicago. Chicago is a city located in the Midwestern region of the United States. The name Chicago is derived from a Native American word that means wild onion or skunk cabbage, which was plentiful in the area. Chicago is known for its vibrant arts and culture scene, iconic architecture, sports teams, and diverse communities. It is also a major transportation hub and home to many universities and research institutions. Overall, Chicago has a rich history and continues to be a dynamic and influential city in the United States.